Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you DEVONthink versus Paperless NGX, best document management software. Which is the better document management software? That depends on your platform and workflow. DEVONthink is a powerful document and knowledge management tool for Mac OS and iOS. It organizes files, notes, and emails into searchable database with AI-powered classification, smart rules, OCR, and encryption. It also supports email archiving and LAN web address. However, its Apple exclusive complex to learn and where sync or file issues have been reported. Paperless NGX, on the other hand, is a self-hosted open source DMs for Linux and NAS users. It scans physically documents into searchable archives using OCR and machine learning support multiple users and scales well, but it requires Linux skills, setup time, and can lag with huge datasets. Bottom line, choose DEVONthink for smart automation on Apple devices, or go with paperless NGX for scalable, open source document archiving on Linux system. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.